To fix your Afterpay app when it is not working, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and functioning properly. A weak or unstable connection can cause the app to malfunction or fail to load. Next, try closing and reopening the app to see if this resolves the issue. This simple step can often resolve minor glitches and get the app working again. If this does not work, try restarting your device, as this can help to clear out any temporary issues that may be affecting the app. Check for any available updates for the Afterpay app and install the latest version. Outdated apps can experience compatibility issues and bugs, so keeping the app up to date is essential for smooth operation. If you are still experiencing issues, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This will remove any corrupted files or data that may be causing the problem and give you a fresh start. Additionally, check that your account information is correct and up to date, including your email address and payment details. Incorrect or outdated information can prevent the app from working properly. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Afterpay customer support for further assistance. They can provide more specific guidance and help to resolve any technical issues that may be affecting the app. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Afterpay app and get back to using it without any problems. Remember to always keep your app and device up to date, and do not hesitate to reach out to customer support if you need help.